Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher Morse code for July 10th, 2024. Before we get into it, please like this video, share with your friends, leave questions in the comment section below if you have any, and more importantly, smash on that red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. So let's go. So we'll go to the Daily Cipher tab, okay, and the code for today is whale, WHALE, whale. Remember, a short tap is a dot and a long tap is a dash. Okay, so for W we have dot, dash, dash. For H we have dot, 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 dot. For A we have dot, dash. For L we have dot, dash, dot, dot. For E we have dot. And voila, so the code is cracked. You are a real detective.